In this video, I'll show you how to add Afterpay to Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, go to Settings, then click Payments. Next, if you're using Shopify Payments, check whether Afterpay is available in your country and supported for your store. If it is, select Afterpay and follow the setup instructions. After that, sign into your Afterpay merchant account or create one if you don't already have it. Complete any required verification steps to finish the connection. Now return to your Shopify payment settings and make sure Afterpay is enabled. Save your changes before continuing. Next, visit your online store and add a product to your cart. Go through the checkout process to confirm that Afterpay appears as a payment option for eligible customers. Finally, place a test order if possible to verify that customers can complete purchases using Afterpay without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Afterpay to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.